Okay, this video is for the arcade table. The most common problems you would have, I will go through those really quick. But first, here is your controller layout. This will be your 8 button to enter the games. Within game, you would exit with this two together. Only player 1 can do this. So in game, you will press this to it or exit. This is your on and off button and your volume control. You are also provided with this keyboard that does the same thing. You can control the volume control if you like. Okay, so the most common problems would be one player or player 2 not working, or not inserting coin, or controllers not working for both controllers or both players. Or if you would like to change the layout of the buttons, you can switch this button to this one or vice versa. Alright, so let's just enter a game here to show you that. Okay, and this would be your coin button and your start button. Okay, so for example, if this buttons don't work, for example, or any of the buttons don't work, you are provided with this keyboard, and you will press in game, you will press tab, and then you enter this screen here. You will go to not general controls, this game controls only. General would apply to all the games. If you want to change the buttons for the whole system, I wouldn't do that. If this game has problems with the button layouts or player 2 doesn't work, you will press OK on the keyboard, and then here you are provided with player 1 up, down, left, right. So let's say my coin for player 1 doesn't work, for example. Let me see here. So coin 1 will be player 1 doesn't work, so I will just press that, press OK, and it'll give me these 2 arrows, and then I will select the button that I want to map, and there it is. So if player 2 doesn't work, one of the buttons doesn't work, is the same thing. You will select the button, press OK, and there you are. For example, here it gives you 2 commands. You don't want to do that. You want to have 1 command only, so you would press delete or backspace. So you would go, there you are, you will go delete, and it will show you none. You want to have 1 command only. So let's do this again. Coin, and there it is. Now to exit the menu, you can just press tab, and there you are. Now you can play your game. To exit the game, very simple. Press those 2 together, and then to go back to the main menu setting, I believe is this one here. So this will be your A button and B button. Enter, exit to the main menu, and then here you can select pinball. Let's try pinball, for example. The more you use the table, the faster it'll boot up the games. So let's just try any table to demonstrate here. Pinball, it's a little different to exit. Okay, so you will press your enter button. Okay, so this is your enter button here, and this is your escape button. So you would do, there you are, and then your flippers are on the side. Alright, and then your view, your notch button will be here and here. These 2. Notch left, notch right. And your view button, to change the view, would be this button. This one here. Okay, to exit the game, you will press this one here. Scroll down to exit to main menu. Press enter. which is this one. And then you will see this little circle button at the bottom right there. Once you select that circle, this power button here, then you can press enter. It asks you to exit the game. Yes, enter again. And you're back on the same system. Now you can select another pinball. So remember, for pinball it's enter, escape. Any other games in game you would exit with this one. And then to exit to the main menu, you press this one here. And like I said, you can always use the keyboard too. This you will need to use for YouTube music, which we're going to demonstrate now. You will press enter on YouTube music. And this one works vertically or horizontally. So to exit YouTube, you will have to use the mouse and do the exit button. That's what you will have to do to exit YouTube. But right now, I'm not sure if I'm connected to the internet. I'm just trying to connect. This uses Wi-Fi. Looks like there is internet. Okay, then from here you'll be able to search any artist, whatever it is. Just look at the regular YouTube music. Have your search bar here. Looks like I'm having issues with my internet. There we are, and then you exit there. All right. Now to go back, I'll press this one. And we're back in the system. Now, let's demonstrate something here. When you get the table, you want to hook up to Wi-Fi. So on the keyboard, when you boot up the system, just press escape. It will take you to the home screen. You can use this as a regular PC if you would like. And then you would be able to connect to Wi-Fi by your settings at the bottom. Just come here and search for your Wi-Fi and connect. Once you have connected, there's a little shortcut here called head-to-head shortcut. It's on the desktop. Double click that. Oops. And then it'll take you back to the arcade system. There you are. I think that covers it all. To shut it off, you can just press the button. In the system, I recommend using the shutdown system, but if you're in the desktop, just press the button and it'll shut it down. Just remember, it is a PC in there. Try not to plug and unplug the PC. I think that covers it all.